Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to recover Snapchat streaks. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, before getting started, make sure that you've updated the Snapchat application to the latest version, and also make sure to check your internet connection. So to recover your Snapchat streaks, first of all, you need to log into your Snapchat account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the Bitmoji in the top left corner of your screen. As you click on the Bitmoji, you'll be directed to your profile page, and in the top right corner of your screen, you need to click on the gear icon. As you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page, and right in between, you'll have an option as I need a help. You need to click on it. As you click on the option, you'll be directed to the support center. As you can see, right in between, you have an option as Snapchat streaks. You need to click on it. Next interface, you'll be able to see a statement regarding I lost my Snapchat streaks. You can go through all of these information and then click on let us know, which is right in the corner, in order to access the link. As you click on it, next you'll be directed to contact us. Right in this page, you'll be able to see the category of option. So from here, you need to select I lost my Snapchat streaks. As you click on the option next interface, you need to write in a report. So for that, first of all, you need to provide username, email address, mobile number, and the device that you're logged in. And for the confirmation, you'll need to enter your friend's username, and you also need to mention the date and the time of having this kind of issue. And you can see there are some questionnaires, so you can go through all of these information, and right at the bottom you have the description. So you need to briefly describe it about your issue and then click on submit. Usually Snapchat takes 24 hours to respond. After 24 hours later, you'll be receiving an email. If the report submitted is valid, they'll look into your matter. So that is how you can recover Snapchat streaks on your Snapchat account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.